我姓李.
我姓李.
Please read.
Okay, everybody. So today we're going to be taking our hand in learning Chinese. Why? Because China is literally one of the biggest countries on the earth, and there's a ton of people there, and it's kind of fun to just learn new languages. So I'm not going to hold you up, and let's learn some languages. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like these type of videos.
我姓李.
我姓李.
Please read along with the video when you see blue characters, and you can have full access to all of our lessons with the Chinese for Us Premium membership.
Link in the description.
Hi, 你好, this is Chinese for Us Beginner's Basic Chinese Course, Lesson 1. 我是丽丽. Today we'll learn how to introduce ourselves in Chinese. So when we meet a new person, we say hi to them and introduce ourselves. So we say 你好 to say
你
hello.
好.
你
你
好.
好.
你
你
好. It literally means good, well, or okay.
You good, bruh?
你好.
Ni hao. You good, bruh?
Hello. 你好.
Hello. Ni hao.
So 你好 is like saying, I bet you're doing good or okay today. 你好. Did you notice that the tones for 你 and 好 doesn't sound the same when they are together?
Oh.
你
你
好.
hao.
They are both pronounced in a third tone when spoken individually.
Okay.
And when they are together, they are pronounced like this. 你好.
Ni hao.
So when two third tones are together, the first one turns into the second tone, but is still written as a third tone. And then we'll introduce...
They got different tones in this language? Not only do they have characters that I have to learn, because, I know a little bit of Spanish. It's a lot easier because, it's all... The characters or the letters all look the same, but not only do you have to... But they're different tones. All right.
Introduce ourselves. There are two different ways to introduce yourself
Let's
in Chinese. A Chinese name has two parts, last name and first name. The last name goes first, and the first name goes after the last name. The last name is more likely one character, and the first name usually has one or two characters. For example, Bruce Lee's Chinese name is Li Xiaolong.
Oh. Li Xiaolong.
Li is his last name. Xiaolong is his first
Xiaolong.
name. Literally, it means little dragon. And Jackie Chan's Chinese name is Cheng Long. His last name is Cheng, and his first name is Long.
Long.
Literally, it means to become a dragon. And my name is Hao Li.
Hao Li.
Is my last name, and Li is my first name. So here are two ways to introduce yourself. 我姓.
我姓.
Last name to be. And 我叫.
我
To be
叫.
called. Both 姓 and 叫 here function as the verb of the sentence, while 我 is the subject.
Okay.
So this is how I introduce my last name. 我姓郝.
So that'd be...
我
is her name, right? So,
姓
Bowen Xing Hao.
郝.
Bowen Xing Hao.
Last name to be 郝.
Wait.
我
Oh.
姓郝.
我姓
Last
Bowens.
name is 郝.
我
And if
姓
Bruce Lee wants
Bowens.
to introduce his last name,
我
what would he
姓
say?
Bowens.
我姓李.
我姓 Bowens.
Last name to be 李. 我姓李. My last name is Li. Now, can you tell me what your last name is? If you don't have a Chinese name yet, just say in your own language.
我姓 Bowens.
我姓
Well,
plus your last
Bowens.
name.
I'm getting kind of good. Y'all gonna see me with all the Chinese sayings. Y'all gonna be like, "Oh man, why's he got 3 Chinese girls on his arms?" I'm gonna be like, "Hey man, I took the time to embrace myself into the culture, you know."
Very good, 非常好. And the other way to introduce yourself, 我叫. Usually you can use it to introduce either your full name or your first name after it. For example, my full name is 郝丽.
我
叫
Zhao
郝丽.
Bowens Jordan.
I to be called 郝丽.
我 Zhao
我叫
Bowens
郝丽.
Jordan. Why did I say my name?
My name is 郝丽. And if it's Jackie Chan who's introducing his full name, what would he say? 我
叫 Shen
叫
Long
成龙.
Shong Long.
I to be called 成龙. 我叫成龙.
我叫 Bowens Jordan.
My name is 成龙.
My name is Jordan Bowens.
Also,
or Bowens
you
Jordan.
can say 我叫 plus your first name, but there's one exception. When your first name is like mine, only one.
These people always get me. Those little rules and stuff that, just like don't make sense. There's no real reason for them, but it's just kind of how the language works that you just have to learn. I mean, there's all types of them in English. I'm sure, other languages for sure have them too as well. It's just one of those things you can't escape.
One character, you cannot introduce yourself with your first name only. So I cannot say 我叫丽.
No,
I have to say 我叫郝丽 with my full name, or 我叫丽丽, my nickname, which is 2 characters. So 叫 cannot be followed by only 1 character. Now, can you introduce your first name with the sentence 我叫? You can say it in your own language
Jordan.
as well.
我叫 Jordan.
我叫
我
plus
叫
your first
Jordan.
name. Very good, 非常好.
Thank you.
So we've learned 2 ways to introduce ourselves. 我姓 and 我叫.
我叫 and 我姓.
Let me introduce myself one more time, and then you can introduce yourself. 你好.
Am I tripping? She kind of cute. Fellas, y'all taking her out? Y'all taking her out on a date? Some dumplings or something?
我姓郝，我叫丽丽.
Wait, hold on. Please tell me dumplings are Chinese. Because if they're not, hold on. Let me. I gotta make sure. I gotta cover my bases. Where are dumplings from? They gotta be Chinese. Ancient China. Thank you. Okay, guys. I'm still good. Had to check. Should be getting canceled.
Now suppose you're going to China and meeting your landlord. Her name is Qian Ying. She's going to say hi to you and introduce herself. Can you say hi and introduce yourself? And this time, no pinyin.
Oh, gosh.
你好，我姓钱，我叫钱颖。
你好，我姓 Bowens, 我叫 Jordan.
我姓 your last name. 我叫 your first name. Very good, 非常好. Before
Thank
we
you.
finish, here's a quick review.
Thank you.
我
我
叫
Jiao.
叫
Jiao. You gotta train your mouth.
姓
Xiong. This one's hard.
姓
Xiong.
好
How.
好
How.
你好
Ni hao.
你好，
Ni hao.
我姓，
我姓。
我姓，
我姓 Bowens.
我叫，
我叫 Jordan. 我叫 Jordan. 我叫. I'm gonna make sure to get my quizzes in, but yeah, this was fun. Like just learning a little bit of Chinese, getting our mouth used to it. Maybe we should do these like I'm thinking maybe I'll do these like a few times a week or something. And who knows? Like maybe in a year or two, like obviously I won't be fluent in Chinese, but you know maybe we'll have learned something, and that's really what this channel is for. So I hope you guys look at this as an opportunity to learn about history, science, even language, just different things like that. It's really positive place and community I'm trying to build here. So I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and as you know. I love you, and Wo Xiao Bowens. Did I say it right? Was that the right one? I don't know. Bye.